Hello, this article is about using dogs to help restore natural ecosystem. Using dogs to spread seeds by carrying bags of seeds on the backs. When dogs walk, the seeds drop to the ground in cities. It is convenient. They use like animal like horse to spread seeds. This method is an effective innovation, especially in areas that are hard to reach or need to be restored after even life will find. The idea original from a project initially that using dogs to help restore forests after fires. Key issue 1. Efficient seed disposals. The use of dogs for seed disposal is thus to their efficiency is reaching that are difficult for large animals. For Marshally, using dogs allows easy access to location. Evidence 1 inspired by Chile. This idea was inspired by a project using dogs to help restore forests after wildfire, highlighting the potential of dogs.
Key point to pilot project in this idea is being tested in Louis, UK under the care of Dead Lida Murray Hall Dog Buddy. The project aims to investigate the capability and effectiveness of using dogs to disperse seed, evidence through promising results. Indirect observation show that this approach is not only feasible but can also significantly contribute to the restoration of Kingspan. The presence of dog library adds interest to the project and has led to ecological initiatives.
Key point 3. Community participation, emphasizing the importance of community involvement in the project, not only to strengthen the ecosystem restoration project, but also to create a sense of ownership and responsibility toward the environment among community members, leading to sustainable care and protection of nature in the future. Evidence community participation demonstrating that community play a key role in the success of ecosystem restoration project and in producing better and environmental conservation outcome.
Using dogs to disperse seeds is an innovative and effective approach to increasing plant growth in urban environments. If successful, this approach could inspire other cities to do the same, resulting in healthier ecosystems and more resilient natural space.